Hi Kitty, Grace here. Today I'm going to draw a couple, so let's get started. First, start by drawing a line down, to the right, upwards, and to the left again. Now just following with me. A line to the right and connect the line. Just following with me step by step. Connect the point. And then a line to the left. A line outwards to the right and connect it. Now draw two round eyes inside with a circle and another smaller circle, a curve, three lines inside, and the mouth. Now we have a couple. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to following with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.